I have a bathroom stall shower that I've not used for years because it is in need of repair. So the drain has not been used. Should I be concerned? I know that often there are traps designed to protect from sewer gases. After being unused, I realize now that this may be a problem I have not attended to.
Hello, and thanks for your question. You should run some water down the drains to keep water in the P-traps. This will keep sewer and other smells from getting into the house.
I have another bathroom on the same floor that has a tub. Would that count?
You need to keep water in every drain in the house or you will get sewer gas smells going into the house through the drains that have no water in them. The water traps the gases from getting into the house. Running water for a minute once a week should work fine.
The shower stall hopefully has the drain in working order. It has an issue with bad caulking around the floor perimeter and mildewed and saturated behind the tiles. I removed those and part of the wall. I then killed mildew with some bleach solution.
Okay, you don't need a lot of water. Or use a plug in the drain.
I may have a related issue. It seems that in the other bathroom I see something like fruit flies. I've heard of drain flies.
I have also used duct tape. Yep.
Duct tape to cover the drain to prevent evaporation. This chat got out of sync. Yep to what?
Pour some 50-50 bleach water down the drain and plug it up.
Oh. Okay.
You on septic system?
No septic system.
Okay, good. Just keep water in it and plug it up. It's very common for folks to get flies and sewer smells from dry traps.
Still writing. I see. You wrote but JA doesn't force the pane you're writing in to scroll. I have to do that manually.
Sorry, the system does act funny at times, lol.
Odd. Seems like the bathroom with the unused shower stall only has a few of those flies, but another bathroom, that may have connected drain stuff with the other, seems to have a lot of them. So I may fix a few issues just by doing what you said. There's a small grate over the drain in the stall. Have another question when you're done typing.
Okay, if it's the stall you don't use the bleach it and tape it.
Just run water for a minute and then tape over the grate and do this once in a while.
If you put the tape over it then every couple of weeks. Being covered the drain will not dry out as fast.
Since this drain hasn't been used for years, I wonder if it could leak even though it didn't in the past. Do you think it's more likely to leak? Do I need a plumber?
Start with only water so if it does you don't have bleach all over. If the pipes are plastic then you should be okay.
I don't think there are plastic pipes. I believe they are very old.
How old is the house?
I may have misunderstood you. Yes, it's the stall I don't use. I should use bleach in that you say /. The house is I think about 43 to 45 years old.
Yes, on the stall, run water through it first. Then bleach water. The water again so the bleach does not hurt the pipes if they are delicate.
Okay. I get it.
Very good. Good luck on your projects.
Thanks very much.
You're very welcome. Have a great night.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.